Imagine turning $10,000 into $12,000, $13,000 in the October 2025 rally. What hidden gems could make that happen? Stick around, we're revealing them today. Hello MoneyWise AI viewers. I'm your global finance educator, and on Tuesday, October 7, 2025 at 10:15 a.m. we're talking October 2025 growth stock picks, hidden gems in global markets. With S&P 500 hitting records, why are small caps shining? The US government shutdown adds uncertainty, but opportunities knock. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Consult a professional. In about 12 minutes, we'll cover intros to picks, risks, and 2026 forecasts. Ready? Don't miss this rally, let's dive in. Let's kick off with the October rally, and yes, could this rally make you richer? The S&P 500 climbed from its September record of 6,595, Dow and Nasdaq following suit. Why? Fed rate cut expectations and strong earnings. But the US government's partial shutdown on October 1st delays economic data. Per Merrill Lynch and WEF reports, this uncertainty could hit small caps or the opposite. In a low-rate world, growth stocks thrive. Globally, the IMF's October 2025 Financial Stability Report notes FX volatility rising, but emerging markets eye 4.5% growth. This makes small caps, especially those with insider buying, true hidden gems. Yahoo Finance's October 2025 growth favorites say the Russell 2000 has 5 to 10% rebound potential. Shutdown impact? Short-term pressure, but long-term opportunity, especially in tech and renewable small caps. So what are these gems? Let's find out. Now onto the favorite picks and ask yourself, could one of these double your portfolio? Small cap analysis time. Yahoo Finance's October 2025 list highlights undervalued ones with insider buying. First, Tilray Brands, TLRY. Canada-based cannabis sector growing, insiders bought 10%. Why a gem? Global legal changes project 20% revenue growth by 2026. Stock from $2.50 to $4 potential. Second, SES AI Corporation, SES. Lithium metal battery tech, EV boom with 15% insider increase. Undervalued small cap, $5 in 2025 target, 30% global EV demand potential. Third, Wolfspeed, Wolf. Silicon carbide semiconductors, key for AI and green energy. Insiders took 12%, stock $20 to $35, tied to S&P 500 rally. Fourth, Hertz Global Holdings, HTZ. Car rental EV fleet expanding, 8% insider buy, 25% small cap rally potential. Fifth, Accelerant Holdings. New IPO with 64% gain forecast. Insiders in early. Why do they shine? Small caps get liquidity edge in low rates. Russell 2000 rebounds 10% faster than large caps. But remember, volatility is high. Diversify. Curious about risks? Let's tackle that next. On to risks and forecasts, and think, how do you turn this rally into opportunity without the pitfalls? The IMF World Economic Outlook says global growth stays at 3.3% in 2025 and 3.1% in 2026. Slowdown in developed, 4.5% acceleration in emerging. For small caps, shutdown delays data if inflation sticks at 2.3%, Fed cuts stay limited. Small caps could drop 15% on recession fears. Yahoo Finance notes even with insider buys liquidity is low. 2026 forecasts. S&P 500 to 7,000, small caps 15-20% returns. IMF says led by green energy and AI. Manage risks. Allocate 10 to 15% to small caps. Diversify with ETFs like IWM. This turns the rally into gains, but stay cautious. Wrapping up, let's summarize. In summary, October 2025 growth stocks like Tilray, SES AI, Wolfspeed, Hertz, and Accelerant small caps are hidden gems in the global rally. Shutdown pressure aside, Fed cuts and IMF growth forecasts offer chances. Full disclaimer, this is educational content, not financial advice. Past performance isn't a guarantee. Seek professional advice. Follow the series. More picks next month. Which small cap are you watching? Share in comments. Subscribe, hit the bell. Grow your financial knowledge with MoneyWise AI. Thanks. See you soon.